On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to break into this room. The lock is totally dead. The manufacturer says to drill it out, but I'm going to show you guys a different way how to get into this room. Okay, what I'm going to use today is these air pump wedges that I got from Amazon. It comes in a set of 3. What are these shims that you stick in between the door and the door jamb, and you pump it up, and what it does, it opens up the gap so you can get to the strike and pop the door open.
Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to insert the wedges right here and right here. Right here is your strike, so we're going to put a wedge on top of the strike and one on bottom of the strike. We're going to try to force them in as far as we can. Just got a little gap right there. There are wedges right in there. Let me insert wedge in the door. The key is get that baby started. See that? Wedge it in as far as you can, right above the strike. Then you put one right underneath the strike. And there. Wedge as far as you can get it in there. So you got one on bottom and one on top. I'll just go ahead and pump them up. We're looking for the strike. See how we starting to see the strike right there? That's what we want. See the strike. See, there's the strike right there. Then if you can get like a screwdriver, something behind there, pop that strike like so. Then you're in. Okay, here's the strike. All you really have to do is get to this right here and push it. Now the secret is getting your wedges. Getting your wedges about right there. Just get your wedges on both sides of the strike there. See that? And then hit that baby right there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.